All right, January 22nd, 2023. I'm working on the largest of the allegorical sea monsters here. I have this little one to do also. And this one is going to be entirely in black and white. I've been looking at imagery in this book published in France in 1930. This Sternoptics in particular. And this one here called a Geretmas, I guess an English pronunciation. Excuse my junior high school French, which I studied between 1962 and 65. La structure et la biologie des poissons par Louis Roux. It's been a very helpful book. I bought this at a thrift shop somewhere, I think in Scotland, but maybe it might have been England. Anyway, to be continued. Almost done.